morning friends. So we are going to learn the problem for the calculation of bubble point for the binary mixture. So the problem given is liquid in a process vessel contain a 50% benzene and 50% toluene, that is A and B chemical, okay, on mole basis. The total pressure of the system is 760 mmHg. So we need to calculate bubble point of that particular binary mixture. So given data is Anthony constant for the benzene, that is they have considered benzene as a component and toluene as a B. So for the AB component, so they have given the value of A and B values. Okay. So now we need to calculate a bubble point. So bubble point of the calculation, we need to calculate the temperature for that particular mixture. So we need to know the Raoult's law and Anthony equation to form an equation. So we know that according to the Raoult's law, A is equal to Xa into Ya. Okay, so that is equal to also Ya into P. So from this particular given that X and Y are the values of the inner vapor and inner liquid. So Y can be calculated by this using this formula. Okay, again for the B component, second for the binary mixture, second component, it will be calculated as this formula or using the above formula. So obviously we know that Ya plus Yb is equal to 1. So as a mole fraction basis, so both mole should be equal to 1 as this is a binary mixture. So again we can simplify this particular term as P is equal to Xa into Pa plus 1 minus Xa into Pb. So okay, so that value will be calculated and we have to consider this as a P value. So now for the particular bubble point, to calculate a bubble point, a P calculate should be equal to the P. So P calculated should be equal to P. So P calculate minus P, it is equal to 0. Okay, so P calculate minus P is equal to 0. Okay, so that function we have to put the P calculated value from this above equation and P. Okay, so Ft would be calculated as considering this particular function. So now obviously this function is we have to convert into the whatever the values are given into the temperature. Okay, so we need to calculate a Pa value by that particular pressure value into the temperature value. So we need to convert by using the Anthony equation. So Anthony equation, we know that this will be the Anthony equation format. So that will be converted into the Pa and Pb. So that particular Pa value and the Pb value we have to put in this equation of the Ft. If we put this equation, we can got this Ft function or Ft equation or the final function in the format of this equation. Okay, so in this particular format we need to calculate the values. Okay, so now we have to convert these particular values into the temperature value. So we need to solve this equation. This is a Ft equation and that is consist of some complicated terms of temperature. So it will not be easy to solve this particular non-linear format equation. We have studied different computational techniques or the numerical techniques to solve this kind of non-linear equation. So we have to use Newton-Raphson method. So to solve this Newton-Raphson equation, we need to calculate a derivative of that particular function. So Ft, again F dash T, that will be needed to calculate the temperature value. So next temperature value will be calculated by the earlier temperature value and these two functions, that is function Fx, or earlier it would be considered as Fx and Fx dax. Here the function is consisting of temperature value. So we have converted into the temperature format. So we have seen the equation Xn plus 1 is equal to Xn minus Fx divided by F dash x. So that we have to convert into the format of temperature, as the equation is in the format of Ft and we need to calculate this particular function in the format of Ft. Okay, so we need to calculate Ft dash from this particular equation Ft. We need to calculate Ft dash T. So derivatives of the particular above equation we have calculated. So using this first term minus x upon t square minus 1 minus x upon t square and minus p, that will be the constant value, it will be removed automatically. So that this is a Ft function and this is Fd dash function. So using this Newton-Raphson method, we can solve this equation in the format of Tn plus 1 and Tn values. So Tn value, we have to assume the initial value, and from the initial value, next level value will be calculated. So this equation will be solved when Ft will become 0. Okay. So now let's move to the particular formula. So here we have calculated temperature value. Initially temperature we have considered as a 473 Kelvin. Then from we have calculated P calculation. P calculation calculated by this formula. Again we have calculated FDT, that is Ft F dash T, and again we have incremented by some values. Okay, Tn plus 1. Okay, so whatever the Tn value there we have added by function added by some value. So here we have considered the function. If it is it should be equal to 0 or near about 0. So we have get the limit as equal to the point not 1. So it is nearly about 0. So by putting the t value in the particular first equation, so we got the values of Ft is equal to 8482. So that is way above the 0 value. So again we have to derive this equation. We have to put the value of Tn. So next Tn value we have calculated by using this value. So Tn value will be calculated by this function. Tn value calculated, that will become as 472. Again we have to put the 472 value in the calculation of P calculation. P calculation here. So P calculation again can be calculated by using this particular function in the format of Anthony equation also. So using this Anthony equation again we can calculate P calculated value. So P calculated value again F dash T and FTT and F dash T will be calculated. So if again it will be going to come 2552, it is way above. Again we are going to calculate Tn value. Again we have to put this in the next level. Again P calculated need to calculate, then Ft calculated, F dash T again need to calculate it. When this particular value Ft will become a 0, that will be P is equal to P calculated. P is equal to the P calculated. So at the critical position we need to calculate the temperature. So this particular 365.29 would be the bubble point of that particularly binary mixture. Okay, so this is a binary mixture. So that would be the binary mixture, that would be the solution.